Hello world, welcome to my channel. This is a short video on a Kickass shower tent, change room toilet tent, and I mounted on the back of the utility. This is the second one I've had. I sold the last one with the camper trailer. So yeah, it's $149 delivered, $146 delivered or something like that. It's cheap, good value, and it'll do what I need for a couple of days camping here and there. I just got a new Kickass shower toilet change room tent. It's called the 7-second tent. This is the second one I've had. I sold the other one with the camper trailer I had, so I'm putting this one on the back of my utility, so certain times you need to use the toilet or have a shower in a bit of privacy. Yeah, and that's what I was got it for. So it comes just like that, boxed up from Kickass. I think it was $149 or $145 delivered. Yeah, and they're adequate. Yeah, so you get pegs, bag of pegs here, and then you get the shower tent. Yeah, you get this shower tent. Kickass shower tent. Bag of pegs. Mounting brackets and screws. So yeah, mounts on these rails. I've mounted one before, as I said, and I was quite happy with the one I had. Might be a bit thin, but you're only going to have to tell it and get changed in it. You're not going to, do anything else in it. But yeah, that's going to go in the back of the ute. I'm just not 100% sure, but it's going to go near the shower. And it's got to be removable. I don't have it up all the time. That's what you get in the bag. You get the bag, of course, 2 decent brackets. One's got a bit of a bend in it. To straighten it out. Some pegs to peg the tent down, and you got 7 bolts, probably one spare. They're stainless steel, lock nuts on them. Okay, I mounted the new shower tent, change room, whatever, on the back here. Now, I didn't show you me mounting the brackets, because brackets on every car is going to be different positions. So what I done, I utilised these brackets. I had a boat loader on here once before, and I took it off and sold it. So I utilised the boat loader brackets, put another bracket above it, and then double locked there so it wouldn't come off. And on the other side I've only got one, but it won't slide. If I have to, I will come up and do the same over here, but I don't think I need to. I forgot it was come down 40mm further on the other side, so I utilised this here, which is an old socket I found. Never ever used it, so I used that and a couple of washers to get it down the 40mm spacing. And then this shower tent is bolted on with bolts and lock nuts. So that's it there, and it's called the 7-second shower tent. This is my second one I've had. I sold the other one with, and I had the camper trailer, and I quite like them. Reasonable price. This one's actually cheaper than I paid for the other one. So that's how it looks from new. Now, this is the second one I've had. Okay, now the other one had a zipper in the same place, which a lot of people don't like. The zipper to get in and out is on this side here. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just adjust it up and then show you the finish thing. Okay, so this is inside the tent. Little bag to put your soap and stuff in here. This also unzips. I could access my dirty gear bag here, or whatever. I can put stuff in here, or have the tailgate down. I can put something on the back here if I wanted to. Just going to zip that back up again. Like that. Yeah, and then there's another bag on this side. My shower will come over here. I don't need to put that down. So yeah, this is the inside of it. Have a toilet in here. You'd also peg it down like this. These are pegs. You'd peg the base down with the 4 pegs supplied. Not going to go anywhere. And once you get it up, the secret is actually locking these corners in place. You lock them in there, and you lock them in there like that, and that locks them in and keeps them firm. If you don't do that, then they'll keep collapsing on you. So yeah, and I'll have my shower head mounted up here somewhere so it comes down. Not sure what I'm doing with that yet, but yeah, they're a cheap tent, but for 149 bucks you can't go wrong with it. Okay, now we move that one in there. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.